Volunteers from White House, Tennessee traveled to London, Kentucky to help dozens of tornado victims. Good evening and welcome to News 2 at 5. I'm Kenley Hargett. News 2's Audrey Mayer joins us in studio with how their efforts are going so far. Audrey?
Kenley, I just spoke with Johnny Rodman, who is the founder of Light in the Disaster Storm Relief, Storm Disaster Relief. He tells me they have more than 100 volunteers on the ground helping people who have lost their homes. The volunteer organization helps people with cleanup, recovery, and distribution of essential supplies. This is their 12th disaster that they've responded to in less than 3 years. And it's not just the necessities they've been able to help people with who are recovering from this storm. Rodman tells me since volunteers got there yesterday, they found 3 wedding rings after sifting through the debris.
People are so much in tears. People are humbled by us finding the smallest things, because once your entire home is gone, every little thing is precious to you. And especially like a memorial of like a wedding ring or a keepsake is worth its weight in gold more than anything else. And it's such a huge blessing to give them that little glimmer of hope that there's another tomorrow, that nothing's completely lost.
And if you would like to help, Rodman says they are in need of more volunteers. He tells me their group will be out helping the victims until their services are no longer needed. Kenley?